Hey friends, this is Atif of Well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that Stellar recently broke out another falling wedge pattern on a 1 hour time frame chart. And this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this time I'm showing you this move on a 4 hour time frame chart, by the way. Previously I was showing you on a 1 hour time frame. And you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, now we are finally about to hit the target for the breakout that I've been telling you in my previous videos was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 63 cents. And while moving to the upside, the price formed another rising wedge pattern. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this wedge. And I'm expecting that soon the price can hit the can also break this pattern as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rising wedge pattern that is recently formed. And I would also like to show you once again this very huge breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And that was a quite long-term trade signal because this was a very big harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member, as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Troy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this are the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you the targets for this move that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And that was a very huge harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, you can see that it was moving approximately at 12 cents. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then has pumped very well and rallied up to 63.7 cents. So far, it has pumped almost more than 400%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And previously I was showing with this breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And previously, by the way, in the previous video, I was showing you this wedge on the 1-hour time frame chart. But now I'm showing you this move on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally the price broke it out. And now it is again getting squeezed inside in another rising wedge pattern. And now I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. Now, for example, if the price then breaks down the support, this is the bearish bias move. Therefore, there is a probability that the price can break it down. And the target to the downside will be here at the bottom of this rising wedge pattern. That will be here, approximately at 40 cents. And over there, we have another quite long-term support, by the way. And in case of breaking out, then I'm expecting that because we have a very strong bullish momentum for Stellar. Previously, we also broke out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and not this one. I'm going to show you that wedge on a weekly time frame chart. This is the falling wedge pattern that we have broken out. And now you can see that we had a very powerful pump. And we have also broken out this up channel in these small patterns as well, like this falling wedge pattern and this symmetrical triangle. Therefore, it can again break out another pattern, and that is this rising wedge pattern. And the target in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern will be here. That will be approximately at 77 cents. So we will be very close to hit the target for the breakout from this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, this wedge. Now we are switched to the 7-day time frame chart here. And in my so many previous videos, I've been telling you that target for the breakout from this wedge, and that target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.